The main reason that Ray dropped off this Les Paul Classic was he was finding the first string was kind of slipping off the edge of the neck. The biggest part of changing a Les Paul nut is just getting the original nut out without damaging anything. There is the original Les Paul nut. You can see how high the paint comes up onto the butt end of the nut. And this is why you've got to be so careful when you're removing those. This is not an issue with Epiphone. This is the Gibson Les Paul nuts. So anyways, we got that out super clean, no issue, not a speck of wood, and we got the new one in. What I wanted to show you was the difference in string spacing. Okay, so I got the middle two strings. You can see that we've brought them in quite a bit. Now, of course, you know, his initial response was, well, can you just move the first string over? Well, not really. You really need to have equidistance between strings, right? The space between the strings needs to be consistent all the way across. So we put that nut in, and as I was going to the trouble to get the nut out, is one of the biggest parts of the job, I suggested he might as well get a compensated nut. So this is 9 to 46 at concert pitch. Let's do our tuning test. Check it out. Anyone at home with a Les Paul, get out your Les Paul and check it against this. So I'm going to do what I always do. So here we go, string to string. 7th fret, octave, 12th fret, open, and fretted 1st fret note.